Manufacturing industries generate vast amounts of data, an untapped wealth of insights. Harnessing this data effectively can drive asset reliability, optimize costs, improve quality, and enhance safety and productivity. Meet inSis AI, an advanced industrial AI platform designed to help manufacturing industries unlock the full potential of their data. Using cutting-edge AI or ML techniques and engineering principles, inSis AI delivers actionable insights and real-time intelligence. Here are 5 ways inSis AI empowers manufacturing units to drive efficiency and innovation. First, predict and prevent anomalies. Leveraging advanced pattern recognition and neural networks, inSis AI detects anomalies early and estimates the remaining time to act. Example, predicting a pump failure before it disrupts operations. Second, real-time batch process monitoring. Monitors batch processes continuously and detects deviations from optimal conditions. Provides probable root causes to enable quick corrective action, preventing batch failures. Third, quality prediction and assurance. Uses real-time operational data to predict product and intermediate product quality. Helps operators address deviations proactively, reducing reliance on post-production lab tests. Fourth, optimized process control. Uses AI-driven process models and optimization algorithms to recommend the best operating parameters. Example, enhancing reactor yield by optimizing steam, pressure, and temperature levels. Fifth, KPI monitoring and root cause analysis. AI or ML models analyze the relationship between KPIs and process variables. Identifies root causes of KPI deviations in real time